Okay, so the last part is different base numbers. So this one's a little bit tricky, as always, because it's something that we're not used to. So let's start off with base 5. So 21 base 5 times 3 base 5. We can follow any of the same procedures that we've been discussing. So if we want to break it down, it's 20 base 5 plus 1 base 5 times 3 base 5. Right? So if we multiply, 3 base 5 times 1 base 5 is still 3 base 5. 3 base 5 times 20 base 5, we want to think of it as 60, but as soon as we have 5, we have to move over the place value, right? So it's actually 110 in base 5. Okay, so overall we have 113 in base 5 when you multiply 21 times 3 in the base 5 system. Let's do another one in base 2. So 101 times 1 in base 2. So the multiplication works the same. You can do vertically. So I have 101 in base 2, and then I have another, so it's 10 times 101, so it's 101 in base 2. So if I add that all up, I get 1111 in base 2. Okay, and then let's do a division. So let's say we have 3241 in base 5, and say we have 43 in base 5. I'm going to do it a little bit differently from if you read the textbook. So what I want to do is kind of gather all the multiplications. Okay, so I'm just going to multiply 43 base 5 times 1 is just 43. And if I do 43 twice, so 43 base 5 and then 43 base 5, right? Just keep in mind everything's base 5. Then it's 3, 4, 5, but as soon as I hit 5, I go over 1. So I'm left with 1 here. And then once again, as soon as I hit 5, I have to go over 1. So it's 141 in base 5. So 43 times 2 is 141 in base 5. And then times 3 is 234 in base 5. Okay, so if I add another 43 here, right, I'll get 234 in base 5. And then repeat that process again, I get 332 in base 5. And the reason why I do this is just so I don't have to multiply and check as I go. I can just use the values that I have. So 43 does not go into 3, nor does it go into 32, so my first place is here. And 332 is too far, but 43 times 3 gives me 234. So as soon as I fit that in, I have, let's see, 0 left there. I have to carry, right? So it's 2. If I carry a 5 over, that's 7 minus 3, so I get a 4. And 2 minus 2 is 0. Right, so I have 401. And I can fit 4 of them there. So I'm going to fit 4, and I have 332 in base 5. And if I subtract, let's see, goes to there, and then it's a 5, but I have to carry over, so it's going to be a 4, and this is going to be a 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4, 4 minus 1 is 1. So what I get is 34 base 5 with a remainder of 14. Okay, so once again, it's a bit more tricky. The entire concept is the same, but since we're not used to base numbers other than 10, it takes a bit more time for us to get through.